Matron, take them away.
Oi, what are you doing?
I'm just nothing.
Oh, my bloody chair, go on, get out of it. I'll make me own coffee.
Right, so first, you find the kettle, did you?
Yeah, I found the kettle. Hello, boys and girls. Bit of an odd one today. I'm going to sort of touch on why you're failing and do you really want to be better in the year coming? Why? I've had God knows how many emails on this week about reflection on the year. And what comes across quite a lot is the desire to get to the finish line too quick. Now, I'm going to give a little salute out to Milk Tray because that triggered this tonight, or today rather. What am I saying tonight? I'm working 24 hours a day, boys and girls. It's why I need my coffee, and trust me, I need it. And Winky's not doing a job. I had to go make my own coffee. This is not good. You know, just as well, I love it a bit.
You survived.
What?
You made it.
Well, I probably won't survive when you see the mess in the kitchen. But let me say, oh, that's they're flying. It's just cashed out. This top one, which I'm watching, history. That's 253. The guys in the squad will know what that is. That's pound JPY, guys. The asset of the week. And then we got this one here, which is cable, which we were discussing earlier on, and that's currently in profit as well. So why am I telling you that? What's the moral of the story, etc., etc.? I run two screens at once, as you can see. I have my prop up there and I mirror it down here. It's all part of the plan. I can't concentrate on multiple markets at once. So what I have to do is just slim it down. And that's what I'm driving at about these emails. The desire to get to the winning post is always a rush. And the way you do it is you look at way too many assets, probably on too low a time frame, and then get yourself into a muddle. If you want to survive next year, and now is a good time to reflect on what you've done this year. Go through your journal and see how many times you were wrong and how many times on the day you were wrong. Now, if you're trading more than 5 times in a day, that's probably a sign that you're over trading. So my advice is half it. You know, only trade twice, 3 at best. You know, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 1 on an evening. There's nothing wrong with breaking your trade. You'll see me do multiple positions. I do that on purpose because the chances of timing a market it's pretty hard to time a market. So work on 1/3 of a third. So look at a daily ATR. Divide that by 3. That'll give you a wave amount. You know, so if it's 90, your wave amount is about 30 pips. And if you look at the wave of the market, they're normally about 30 pips. And then give yourself a minimum target. Divide that by 3. So that'd be 10. So that's your benchmark. It's not your total target, it's your benchmark. And it's where I think a lot of people get confused when they hear me talk about 10 pips and things like that. These are minimum targets, not maximum. So you're looking to get the price to there and beyond. Now, if you do this once, twice a day, you'll probably find you're doing okay. But if you go in the markets and try to be there all the time, it's not going to happen. But also set yourself some little monetary goals as well. Have a figure that you want to achieve each day, you know, and once you've achieved it, why not walk away? Little hacks that can help you. Now, I know a lot of people will not listen to it. I know a lot of people will not take any notice because they'll think, I know better. But look at your journal. if you have ended this year on a loss, the easiest way to curb it is calm down. Look to do a single challenge, a challenge of your own, not a prop challenge or anything like that. You can do that after this. But here's a little exercise for you just before we wrap up. Take one trade every day for 30 days on one asset. So it's one asset, 30 days, one trade. At the end of that 30 days, you're going to either be positive or negative. Now, if you took 2 trades in a day, you fail. Start again. If you take 1 trade a day and you end the month with more money than you started with, and you can do it on a paper account, you know, just put an arbitrary figure in and then do it properly. If you got more at the end of the 30 days, you've earned the right to then move on to trading into, say, a prop fund, like 5% boot camp, something like that. And there is links for them below with discounts. Use Darwin X if you want to use Darwin X, or any. Just drop some money in a broker and sort of earn the right to trade it. So where am I going with this one? Why a single asset? Well, if you've got a single asset, what happens is you get used to seeing the motion of the market. You get used to seeing how trends play out by watching the single currency or indices, whatever, playing out through the month. It'll show you where the higher highs are, the lower lows, how fibs can react. And then once you've got this groundwork, you can apply that to any chart, because a chart is a chart. But you need to know what the motions are in the first place. Just something for you to think about. If you're stuck, very easy found. Just drop down in the comments. You see all my contact details. Do leave a thought. I'm always interested in what people have to say, and I answer every single one of them. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.